One thing here clear, that's for you not to compare.
Okay, you see the wheel shaking? Look at it shaking. You see it shaking?
All right, sometimes when the whole car is rocking, like you're driving down the street and it's rocking, like the whole thing is rocking, okay? What's probably happening is the tire right here is out of round. It's not flat anymore here. And you see that lump? That's a lump right there. But there's a lump right here.
You see the out of round tire? The tire out of symmetrically perfect for a surface. Basically, an out of round tire can give you a very rocky ride. Okay, so
the reason why you pay $75 for a diagnostic is to a honest mechanic is because they're gonna tell you what's actually wrong with the vehicle, and you won't be kicking out any money in unnecessary repairs. Nobody likes doing that. Get your tires checked before the winter time comes.